Hey everybody, and welcome back to Crafting Made Easy. For this video, I will be showing you how to make these keychains. If you're interested in seeing that video, stand by. Alright, the items you'll need for this project will include the 2-inch acrylics. I purchased these off of Amazon. You'll need some keychain hardware, some tassels, jump rings, jewelry pliers, and for this particular project I use regular epoxy and alcohol inks. Right, and I believe that is all that you will need for this particular project. If there's anything that I am missing, I will put it in the description box below. Now that that's out the way, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so I have some leftover epoxy from another project, so I decided to use it on the acrylics key disc. All I'm doing is just placing the epoxy onto the disc. I'm sorry it's not within frame, but it's just adding the epoxy to the acrylic disc. I do have that glitter sitting there as a holder, a tabletop, so if any of the epoxy as it's leveling out spills over, it'll just fall over onto the glitter or onto the paper and not underneath of the acrylic disc. So all you're doing is just placing the epoxy on there, smoothing it out, but it is self-leveling, so it will eventually level itself out and flatten, and any excess will spill over the other side. So that's all I'm doing right here. Okay, so I just sprayed some alcohol on there just to kind of get the bubbles out of there. And then I'm going to take some of the gold alcohol ink and just drop it onto the epoxy and the disc. And you can place any color that you want onto the disc. It's up to you. And just, kind of place the drops where you want them to go. I'm placing a little white and some of the gold on there, and I think that's all the colors I did for this one, or maybe I did the black on here too. But you just place them where you want to. Sometimes I'll spray some more alcohol on 91% alcohol onto the surface just to kind of make the alcohol ink spread a little bit more. But after that, I'll just sit it off to the side and let them dry overnight. right, and this is the finished product here. So this is what the gold and white one looks like, and that's the back. Let me see, I'm turning this light off. Oh, let's see it better. This is the back of it, and then this is the front. And of course we have the tassel and our keychain hardware there. And then this one is the black, gold, and white one. So, and then this is the back. And you can put a decal on there if you want to. I think I'm going to go ahead and leave these blank and sell them. And if people want to put their names on there, they can go ahead and just add their names. And that's easy to just add the names on there. And then you can put UV resin over top of the decal to protect it. Or you can just use, if you have any leftover epoxy like I did, you can use a leftover epoxy and cover up the decal as well. But it's nice and smooth, no bumps, no lumps. The side, some of it kind of spilt on the side, but it's not messy or anything like that. So yeah, I love it. They came out really, really cute. And I think I'm going to do a few more of these, and these can be like engagement gifts, wedding gifts, any type of gift that you want, or you can just make it for yourself. So that's it for this video. If you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button along with the notification bell to be notified when I drop new videos. And also, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button along with the share button. I will see y'all in the next one. Until next time, peace.